Ever wondered why some traders make a fortune while others crash and burn? Well, it's not magic, it's strategy. In this masterclass, we are uncovering 8 powerful trading strategies that can help you trade smarter and make more informed decisions. Number 1, swing trading. Swing trading focuses on capturing short to medium term gains over a few days to weeks. Traders यहाँ उन स्टॉक्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं जो टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स के बेस पे स्विंग करते हैं, यानी ऊपर या नीचे जाने वाले होते हैं. Now let's take an example. इमेजिन करिए कि एक स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग एट 3000 rupees per share and you noticed from its chart that it usually bounces back after dropping to 2950 rupees. Now you could buy a stock at 2950 rupees and sell it at 3100 rupees when it swings back up. The idea is to profit from these predictable price movements. Key tip here would be to use tools like moving average or RSI, which is relative strength index, to spot trends and entry exit points. Number 2 is straddle strategy. स्ट्रैडल ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में यूज होती है जब आपको लगता है कि स्टॉक में किसी डायरेक्शन में बड़ा मूवमेंट होगा, पर आप श्योर नहीं होते. नाउ इट इन्वॉल्व्स बाइंग बोथ अ कॉल एंड अ पुट ऑप्शन फॉर द सेम स्टॉक एट द सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस एंड एक्सपायरी. चलिए एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. नाउ लेट्स से एक स्टॉक क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट अनाउंस करने वाला है और आपको लगता है कि स्टॉक या तो ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे. You buy a 2500 rupee call option and a 2500 rupee put option. If the stock jumps to 2700 rupees, your call option gains value. Now, if it falls to 2300 rupees, your put option gains value. Either way, you benefit from the movement. Now, a key tip here is that this strategy works best during major announcements or events that could impact stock prices. Number 3, scalping. Now, scalping involves making small, quick trades to profit from minor price changes throughout the day. It's like trying to slice small profits repeatedly. चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Let's say आपके पास एक स्टॉक 1400 पे आपने खरीदा है और आफ्टरनून तक वो 1405 हो जाता है. You sell and book that 5 rupee profit. Then you repeat the same process multiple times during the day with other stocks. Now, a key tip here is that scalping requires constant monitoring and fast execution. It's not for everyone, especially if you're not comfortable with high activity. Number 4, momentum trading. Now, momentum trading में आप उन stocks पर focus करते हैं जो एक direction में strong movement दिखा रहे हैं, either up or down. They ride the wave until the momentum slows. चलिए एक example लेते हैं to simplify this. Let's say during the pandemic in 2020, pharma stocks का demand बढ़ गया था. इस मोमेंटम में आप फार्मा स्टॉक खरीदते हैं जब वो ऊपर जाना स्टार्ट करता है और जब मोमेंटम स्लो हो तो बेच देते हैं. Now, a key tip here would be that the news earnings announcement or sector-wide developments often creates momentum. Number 5, breakout trading. Breakout traders wait for a stock to break out of a specific price range and enter a new trend. चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. मान लीजिए एक स्टॉक 400 रुपीज से 420 रुपीज के बीच में ट्रेड हो रहा है और सडनली 420 रुपीज के ऊपर ट्रेड करने लगता है विद हाई ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम. तो ये ब्रेकआउट का सिग्नल है. You can enter the trade at 421 rupees and ride upward momentum. Now, a key tip here would be to combine breakouts with technical indicators like Bollinger Bands or moving averages to confirm the trend. Number 6, position trading. Position traders long term positions hold करते हैं जिसमें वो stocks को months या years तक hold करते हैं. ये daily movements पर नहीं बल्कि big picture trends पे focus करते हैं. चलिए एक example लेते हैं to understand this. Suppose you believe that the EV sector will grow significantly in the next 5 years. You buy Tata Motors or Mahindra & Mahindra stocks now and hold them for years to benefit from their growth. Now, a key tip here would be to focus on fundamental analysis and long-term industry trends. Number 7, range trading. Range traders support पे stocks खरीदते हैं और resistance पे बेचते हैं. ये strategy तब best काम करती है जब stocks predictable range में move करते हैं. नहीं समझे? चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Let's say a stock trades consistently between 320 rupees and 340 rupees for months. ठीक है. अब a range trader buys at 320 rupees and sells at 340 rupees repeatedly to make a small but consistent profits. A key tip here would be to use support and resistance level to guide your trades. Number 8, news-based trading. ये स्ट्रैटेजी न्यूज इवेंट्स जैसे अर्निंग्स अनाउंसमेंट्स, मर्जर्स या गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज पे ट्रेड करने पर बेस्ड होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस्ड अ पुश फॉर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, एनर्जी स्टॉक्स सर्ज्ड. News-based traders now who bought renewable energy stocks before or immediately after the news made quick profits. Now, a key tip here would be to act fast, as news-based trades can be short-lived. So in conclusion, each trading strategy has its purpose. Scalping for quick, small profits within minutes or hours. Swing trading for profits from medium-term price swings. Straddle for profits from big movements, regardless of direction. Momentum trading for riding the wave of rising or falling stocks. Breakout trading for entering when a stock breaks past a key level. Position trading for long-term investment based on fundamentals. Range trading to buy low, sell high within a range. News-based trading to react quickly to market-moving events. But remember, trading isn't just about timing the market. It's about understanding it. That's all in this masterclass. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful videos.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.